In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high pressure power steering hose on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. On the top of the steering box, I'm going to use an 18mm crow's foot. You could use a wrench if you can get in there. Loosen up the line. It's just easier to use a crow's foot, get it loose. And I'm going to have a drain bucket underneath because we're going to lose a little bit of fluid. All right, that'll come off. Oops, drop that, that's okay. Take that hose off. I'll just hold that up high so it doesn't drip down. And remove these lower shields. Use a 15mm socket. Take these bolts out. Should be 2 up top and 2 underneath. Those 2 are missing. Slide that down. Then under here, same 15mm socket. Take those 4 out. And slide that shield down. From underneath, I'm going to use a 16mm line wrench. You could just use a regular wrench if you don't have one. Then reach underneath the power steering pump on the back side. You want to loosen up that fitting that goes to the pressure line. Oh, there we go. Let that drain. That popped off. All right, now we can pull the hose up from up top. Just remember where the hose went, so it goes in between there and there. And slide that out of the way. Now we're gonna go slide the hose back the way it came in. Back the way it came out, I mean. Slide that on the back. This is going to go over here. We'll attach this later. Let's get this started underneath. Okay, now get this to line up. Get the nut started. Okay, that's started. Now we'll tighten it up with a wrench. If you can torque that with a torque wrench, you want to torque that to 20 foot-pounds. Take this side of the line, slide that in position into the box, get that started. Now I'll tighten this down. And with a torque wrench, you can torque this to 20 foot-pounds. There we go. Put the shields on. Get the bolt started. Now you want to take the power steering cap off the reservoir, the fluid, and you want to top off the power steering fluid with the appropriate type. Then with the front wheels off the ground, we're going to put the cap back on, and you're going to turn the steering wheel back and forth about 20 times, stop to stop, with the engine not running. After that, you want to double check the level, adjust accordingly. You could do it again about 5 times, and then start the engine, turn the wheel back and forth, shut it down, double check the reservoir, adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.